Hello everyone, it's Bruno here, and today I would like to talk about a very important subject, which is artificial intelligence. I'm not sure if I take my glasses, I look more serious or something like that. Please let me know in the comments if you prefer if I use glasses. I'm starting to see that I'm looking very nerdy. I'm not sure if I can say that because some people might get offended. Despite a lot of criticism from many parts of society, I think that's because of ignorance. Automation and robotics are going to be a huge benefit for the economy. Economic growth and human progress are very, very tightly linked to it. If we could compare how the artificial intelligence impacts human productivity, it is so difficult to compare because in the past we had industrial revolutions, and these industrial revolutions came from scientific progress, and this scientific progress was a direct result of the human effort towards developing knowledge, trying to understand the world. And today we have companies doing this not because they are looking for increasing shareholder value only. Of course, this is some of the reasons why. It's not the sole factor why this is happening. Serious companies out there, highly motivated for the benefit of the world and for the benefit of mankind as well. When we had the Industrial Revolution in Britain, in England, people were worried about what would happen to their work, to their livelihood, because machines started to spread throughout Europe. Because of this, we had a massive amount of people coming out from the farm to the cities where they started to live and to create their livelihood. However, even though this change is massive when it comes to the structure and the economic and social foundations that propel our future towards a more inclusive, accessible, where everyone has access through the means of capitalism, through the means of a free trade society. And this same capitalism in which humankind was able to make profit over science and technology, and this led massive investments into scientific research. And since then, the life conditions of everyone is just improving. Many bad things also happened in history throughout those periods of time. Today, we are witnessing a big change. Artificial intelligence industry is projected to become bigger than the internet itself. When we look to society from a perspective of economics alone, the fact that we will have machines handling our physical labor instead of humans makes us feel dread at first, because we are not looking towards the future outcome of those decisions. What I mean is, at first it looks scary because we are not accustomed to it, and we cannot imagine how a world without work would be. However, in capitalism, efficiency matters. If a machine capable of executing a specific task better than a human can do in a more cost-efficient way with better quality, why not? We start to look towards the lens of social benefits, not only the economical benefits, and what the impact of job dislodgement would cause into society itself. It's a temporary phase. Most people that work today in industries that depend upon physical labor are no longer going to have jobs because machines are going to execute them. However, these people are not going to be without any source of income unless their governmental authorities are not good, unless they are corrupt. That is not caused by artificial intelligence but by human flaws. The amount of productivity AI and machines are going to add into the markets are so huge that everything is going to get dramatically cheap. When we have a specific good available in the market for purchase, that specific good already has so many costs included on its final price that the customer is paying, which includes logistics and transport, which includes manufacturing processes, labor costs, the materials used. All of these costs can get so much lower only because of automation, which will primarily lead everyone towards depending upon a specific universal income from governmental authorities. But it doesn't mean that most people are going to be doomed without any jobs or able to get their own money. Actually, capitalism, free trade, liberalism is the solution for all of that, because a free market allows for the best competitor to thrive and to produce and to make money. And this is how business works. If you want to earn more, you can earn more by doing business, by doing your thing. I believe that the future is very promising for every one of us. So this is just something I have been thinking for a very long time. I'm not sure if I was clear, because it looks like more a conversational video. This is my second video for the channel, and I hope to post more, but I would like to have your feedbacks on it. So please subscribe, like, and let's keep this conversation going. Thanks, and see you next time.